Hey everyone, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. Today in this session we are going to discuss about ternary operators. Ternary operators. So in the last class we have discussed about assignment operators. Now we are going to discuss about ternary operators. Today by the end of this class you are going to learn about what is ternary operator, how to give different kinds of inputs to the ternary operator, and what is the special in ternary operator, how to do operations in ternary operators. Okay, in a simple way I'm going to teach everything. Okay, so you can easily understand. Okay, without any further delay, let's start our session. So in the last class, assignment operators we have discussed. What is assignment operator? Assignment operator will in the name itself it is telling that it will assign some value to the variable. Here the variable name is x and the value is 10. 10 is assigned to x, that is nothing but an assignment operator. 10 is assigning to x, that is nothing but an assignment operator. So and here how can we perform different kinds of operations in assignment operators? By using this value x. This is one kind of input and this is another kind of input. Okay, but the output will be the same. Inputs may be different but the output may be output is different. So we can give the input like this and also like this. Okay, and the next one, different possible compound assignment operators are plus, equal to, minus, equal to, like these are comes under in also arithmetic operations, and one extra operator is called star star equal to. And how to increase the value? Okay, what are the valid conditions and what are the invalid conditions for this assignment operators also we have discussed in the last class. So this is the valid conditions. We have to provide plus symbols before the x, and we have to provide the minus values also in before the x. That is the valid conditions. We provide those plus and minus of symbols after the x or after the variable, it will not valid. Okay, till now we have discussed about assignment operators in the last class. Now we are going to discuss about ternary operator. Ternary operator. This is a sixth type of operator. Ternary operators. One minute. Okay. So I'm going to underline this one. Ternary operators in Python. Operator. Okay, so we have these ternary operators in Java and other languages also, but performing these ternary operators in Java and performing ternary operators in Python, the syntax are different. The syntax are different. So let's have an idea about how to give these ternary operators in Java. Okay, then we will come to the Python. No need to worry, guys. I'm not going to perform Java operations. Just I'm giving an idea to ternary operators using in Java. So if you apply the same kind of conditions, or if you give the same kind of input in Python, what will it will give the output? Let's see. Okay. So for understanding this in practical way, now I'm going to open IDLE. In this IDLE, I am going to specify the input. Okay, so in Java, how we can give the input ternary operators? So here I'm taking one variable that is called x equal to in brackets or in parentheses, we can say uh, in parentheses. So here we have to provide 10 less than 20 question mark 30 is to 40 or 30:40. So in Java, we will provide the input like this. Okay. So I am giving the same kind of input in Python. Uh, is it allowed to give the same kind of input in Python? No, it will not allow. It will give syntax error. It will give a syntax error. Let's see. So here it will give syntax error as we discussed. Invalid syntax. Then how can we perform these operations, these ternary operators in Python means? First of all, I am going to give one variable x equal to 10. We are here, remember guys, we are going to use if and else condition, if else conditions. Okay, if else conditions. So it will check the conditions if the first condition is true or the second condition is true. If the first condition is true, then it will not go to the second condition. Okay, it will stop iteration. Okay, so here if 20 less than 30, else 40, if 50 less than 60. I am giving here simple and small understandable examples. Else 70. So guys, what will be the output here? First, just observe the first condition. First, what I have written, what we have taken, x equal to 10. When if 20 less than 30, if 20 less than 30, then only x value will be 10. But if the first condition is fails, then it will go for second condition. What is the second condition? 40. 40 when x value is 40, when if the 50 less than 60, okay, then only it will specify 70. Okay, if 20 less than 30, then it will give 10. Okay, if otherwise it will give 40. But if 50 less than 60, then what it will print? It will print 70. Okay, let's see what it will give. Okay, so here the first condition is true, that's why it will give only 10 value. But what about the second condition? Second condition is also true, right? Because 50 also less than 60. 1 minute. 50 less than 60, it is also true condition only. So it has to print 70 also. But why it is not taking 70 as x value? Because I will tell the reason. Just wait. So if the first condition is true, then it will stop iteration here only. Okay, if the first condition is false, then only it will go for second condition. Okay, if the first condition is true, it will stop iteration here only. If the first condition is false, then only it will go for second condition. Okay, so here the first condition is true, then it will not go for second condition. So 20 less than 30 means it is true only. So that's why it has print 10. Okay. Next, now I want to give the second example. So I'm taking the second example here. Plus x equal to again 10 and when if 20 greater than 30. Remember guys, in the above I have taken 20 less than 30. Now here I am taking 20 greater than 30. 20 greater than 30, else 40. If when 50 less than 60. Here again I am taking the above input only, 50 less than. Okay, 50 less than. In the above also I have taken 50, 50 less than 60 only. Here also I am taking 50 less than 60, else 70. Okay, the only condition I have changed here is less than equal to greater than. Okay, so now check for the condition. Now I am going to uh, remove these marks. Okay, next. So here what will be the output? The output will be 40 only. Okay, the output will be 40 only. So x value, because the first condition is false. Okay, other so it has taken 40. It has taken 40. Now I am going to give the another input or another example. I'm taking here. Let's see the output, what it will give. So here x equal to 10 if 20 greater than 30, 20 greater than 30, else 40. If 50 greater than 60, if 50 greater than 60, else 70. Okay, x equal to 10. Oh, here f missed. Okay, let's see what will the output will be. 70, because first condition 20 greater than 30 false. Okay, then the second condition is 50 greater than 60. Here also the condition is false. Okay, that's why it has taken 70. That's why it has taken 70. So the final conclusion we can give is, if the two conditions are false, if the two condition is false, true. Okay, two conditions, this one and this one, then only it will go for this value. If the first condition is true, then it will give this value. If the second condition is false, then only it will give for this value. Okay, like that it will operate. Like that the ternary operators will work. Okay, that's it. So now I am going to write the notes here. In Java, first we have checked with the Java syntax, right? So I'm going to specify here Java. We can use x equal to condition. That it means the first condition. Condition first value. Next second value. Second value. First value and second value. Like that we can give in Java, not in Python. X equal to 10 less than 20 question mark 30 is to 40 30 colon 40. So it is applicable in Java. So if we give the same kind of input in Python, what it will give? It will give syntax error, or we can say here it is an invalid condition. Invalid. Okay. Next. So how we can operate these ternary operators in Python? I'm going to write here notes for that. In Python, we can use ternary operator. So most of them thought that they will give the syntax uh, like this in Python also. If it's give an invalid or invalid syntax error, then they thought that there is no ternary operator in Python. But here that's why I'm specifying here that in Python also we can use ternary operator, but syntax is different. Okay, so x equal to first value if condition else second value. First, sorry, here we have to do e first value if conditional second value. Okay, so the examples of these are example x equal to 30 if 10 less than 20 else 40. Okay, so the expected output of x is x, it will give 30. Next condition is x equal to 30 if else if 30 if 10 greater than 20 else 40. Okay, this is the second condition. Okay, Next, so yeah, I'm going to write the another point. First value first value if condition 1, else second value. Second value if condition 2, else third value. Okay, first value if condition 1. If condition 1 is otherwise, we will go for second value. If the second value is also, or second condition is also fails or false, then it will go for third value. Okay, so here these examples I am going to specify here. I'm pasting here practical examples only. Next here, okay, these are the input conditions. On these are the green numbers are respected outputs of their ternary operators or operations. Okay, this is about ternary operators. So what we have discussed in ternary operators are the only one logic behind this is, if the first condition is true, then it will go for it will doesn't go for second condition. If the second condition is true, it will doesn't go for third condition. Okay, but if the first two conditions false, then it will go for third condition, then it will print the third value. Okay, this is about ternary operators in Python. I hope this class is helpful for you. If you have any doubts regarding this session, then please comment below. Okay, thanks for watching.